sound check today. It's April 16, 2025, and the time is now 5:37 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Colton, California. Coming to you live, doing a sound check, broadcasting, recording live, doing a sound check with Billie Holiday. 53 degrees outside today, and forecast calls for a high of 65 today. And we'll be looking forward to a slight chance of rain in the evening. It's going to be cooler, and then forecast calls for cloudy with rain possibly tomorrow and Friday. So today, enjoy the sunshine. I will be doing the same. Right now we're doing a sound check with Billie Holiday. And I gotta find out what this album is. Here's a good one. Yeah. In the meantime, it's a sound check with Billie Holiday, because I have to see if this setup will work if I'm doing a sound check.